Good evening to one and all. This is Uday, and you are watching your favorite channel, that is Devoted Classes. Once more, you are most welcome into Devoted Classes. Today, once more I am present with another video, that is importance of English language and literature for you, for all. So listen to me carefully. What is the importance of English language and literature? You know, English is an international language. Modern age is an age of English. I think you must be aware that English is one of the international languages. It is one of the most widely spoken languages as well. It is the language of international trade and commerce. It is a linked language. It is a global language as well. It is most suited for the computer. And my dear friends, if you have knowledge of English, you can live a happy and good life. If you are preparing for any competition, there is a part of the paper that tests your skill of English language. Without English in modern age, you can't progress. Any field you go, whether the field of teaching or the field of computer or the field of commerce, everywhere there is English. If you wish to be engineer, English helps you. If you wish to be a scientist, English helps you. If you wish to be a leader, English helps you. If you wish to be a teacher, English helps you. If you wish to be an actor, English helps you. If you wish to be a director, English helps you. If you wish to be a writer, English helps you. What more? If you wish to be a successful businessman, English helps you. If you wish to be a good housekeeper or householder or housemaker, English helps you, my dear. Everywhere there is English. If you face an interview, what we find, simply they ask the common question, speak about yourself. And if you are found okay introducing yourself, they will give you the job just on the spot. Otherwise they will say just call you later. And it is definitely that they will never call you. You know, first impression is the last impression. And it is checked through the knowledge of English language. How much knowledgeable you are, unless you speak, unless you expose yourself, who knows how much knowledge you have. So English is a door to expose yourself. I have seen many more persons are unemployed due to the lack of knowledge of English language. And all the higher competitions, all the higher degrees, we have English. We have so many public schools getting open day by day. For what? For giving you training of English language. You spend so much money for what? For learning spoken English, for learning English. My dear friends, the more I speak about the importance of English language, the less it is. Suppose you are going abroad, it is not possible to learn 17 to 18 languages. You can't speak Italian, you can't speak French, you can't speak German, you can't speak Spanish, even you can't speak Sanskrit. It's very difficult to have command over at least 17 languages. But my dear, it's very easy to learn one language, that is English. If you know you have better command over English language, you are the winner. You need not learn 17 languages. English can do the function of 17 languages. So command over English language. You know, English language plays a great role in your personality development, in shaping your career, in achieving your goal. Suppose you wish to be an IAS officer, you qualified your written exam, the time of interview comes and the interviewer asks you many more questions on English language, and if you are faring well, you are appointed, otherwise you are gone. They will test your English language, and if you are doing well, meaning if you are able to reply well, you are the IAS officer. Otherwise they will say sorry, they will send you back. So be serious, learn English and become the champion. Yes, my dear friends, who does not want to be champion? English language is so important that you know, Chinese is the most widely spoken language. It is also known as Mandarin, is the most widely spoken language all over the world. But I think after Chinese, English is the second widely spoken language. But it is very difficult to learn Chinese. Yes, my dear friends, very difficult to learn Chinese. But it is easy to learn English language. Its grammar is very systematic. Its literature is very sound. It's very vast as well. It is in the same language we have super duper mega star, you can say, mega writer, you can say, or best writer like William Shakespeare. We have William Shakespeare. He is, you can say, the best writer of English language. Other than William Shakespeare, we have John Milton. John Milton is known as the best author. William Haley said John Milton is the best author of English language. The Paradise Lost that he gave, it is read by maximum of the people all over the world. He gave the very famous epic like Paradise Lost. You know, of course, William Shakespeare is the best writer of his age. Not for his age, he is for all ages. Okay, William J. Long said he is not for only one age, but he is for all ages. And John Milton is no less important than William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare did not write any epic, but John Milton wrote epic. So great knowledge he had. Other than William Shakespeare and John Milton, we have William Wordsworth, so nice writer of, he is known as poet of nature. We have John Galsworthy, modern writer. William Shakespeare belonged to the Renaissance period. John Milton also belonged to the Renaissance period, but William Wordsworth belonged to the Romantic age. Proceed, we have other writers, famous writers, P.B. Shelley, John Keats, S.T. Coleridge, Lord Byron, Sade, Thomas Carey. We have Matthew Arnold. We have Alfred Lord Tennyson, who is compared to Tulsidas, Goswami Tulsidas in India. And we have so many other writers. The modern age, best modern age writer is T.S. Eliot. We have in India many more good writers we have of English who are writing in English. Mulk Raj Anand. He is known as Charles Dickens of India. We have Nissim Iskil, we have Kamala Das, and we have R.K. Narayan. Not here, my dear friends, we have America also is full of many more great writers. We have Robert Frost, William Faulkner, Hemingway, Walt Whitman. These are the great writers of English literature. Language is very, I told you, it is one of the most widely spoken language of the world. Its grammar is very systematic, I told you. I told its literature is very vast. What can I tell? The more I speak, the less it is as far as the importance of English language and literature is concerned. So, focus English. Try to learn English. I am not criticizing Hindi language here. Hindi language has its own importance, but without knowledge of English, you can't progress. Most of the good books are found in English language. The Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Almost all the great works have been translated into English. You can't read Pali, you can't read Spanish, you can't read Hebrew, but my dear friends, of course you can read those works through English language, because translations are available. Approx all the great works, the translations are available in English of the great works. So focus English. And last but not least, I would say east or west, English is the best. And not only best, English is a must. So my dear friends, learn English. So I think that's enough. Now if you listen to me carefully and got something good, you liked my video, so please subscribe my channel and give us nice comments. For more details, if you have any problem, you must contact me. My contact number is 8959863755. Once more, 8953063755. So that's enough. Now it's time to say, until I make another video, you keep on laughing, enjoying your life and practicing more and more of spoken English. Now it's time to say bye bye, see you, take care.